Today, we're going to be talking about implicit differentiation. The goal here is to get dy over dx. Let's start with an example. X squared plus y squared equals 25. Now, the goal here is to multiply first both sides by d over dx. This is basically taking its derivatives. So the derivative of x squared is 2x plus derivative of y squared is 2y multiplied by dy over dx. Every time you differentiate a y term, you always put dy over dx next to it. Equals the derivative of any constant such as 25 is 0. Now, isolate dy dx, so you will get 2y dy over dx is equal to negative 2x. Divide both sides by 2y. These two will cancel each other out, so dy over dx here would be negative 2x over 2y. You can cancel these two each other out, so the final answer will be negative x over y. Let's try this example. X squared plus y cubed equals 7. Firstly, take the derivative of each. So the derivative of x squared is 2x plus derivative of y cubed is 3y squared multiplied by dy over dx equals derivative of 7 is 0. Isolate dy dx, so you will get 3y squared. So you will get 3y squared dy over dx equals negative 2x. Divide both sides by 3y squared. These two will cancel each other out, so dy over dx here would be negative 2x over 3y squared. Let's try this example. X multiplied by y plus y squared equals 10. The derivative of x multiplied by y is based on the product rule. The formula for this will be the derivative of u multiplied by v is equal to u multiplied by v prime plus u prime multiplied by v. So u here in this case is x and y is v. So the derivative of x multiplied by y is x, and derivative of y, as we said, is dy dx plus u prime here, which is 1, so multiplied by y, plus derivative of y squared is 2y multiplied by dy over dx, and derivative of constant is 0. By the way, just in case your teachers told you it is y prime, take note that y prime is the same as dy over dx. They're the same. So you can put y prime or dy dx as placeholder here. Now, isolate dy dx on one side, so you will get x multiplied by dy over dx plus 2y multiplied by dy over dx equals negative y. Factor out dy dx. And divide both sides by x plus 2y. These two will cancel each other out, so the final answer will be negative y over x plus 2y. Let's try this example. X squared multiplied by y plus y equals 3. Take the derivative of x squared multiplied by y. This is also product rule, which is this formula. wherein you will get the derivative of v first, which is dy over dx, plus take the derivative of x squared, which is 2x multiplied by y, v here, which is y, plus derivative of y is dy over dx equals 0. Isolate dy dx, so you'll get x squared multiplied by dy dx plus dy over dx equals negative 2xy. Factor out dy dx, so you will get dy over dx multiplied by x squared plus 1, negative 2xy, because dy dx multiplied by 1 is still dy over dx. Divide both sides by x squared plus 1, and the final answer would be negative 2xy over x squared plus 1. Let's try trigonometric problems. Problem here is sine of xy. So you will first use chain rule here, in which you will take the derivative of the outer function before the inner function. So the derivative of sine is cosine of xy multiplied by the derivative of x multiplied by y, which is simply product rule, so we'll get x multiplied by dy over dx plus 1, which is the derivative of x multiplied by dy over dx. Wait. I mean 1 multiplied by y only. So this is equal to 0 if you want. So multiply these two. So cosine of xy multiplied by x multiplied by dy over dx plus cosine of xy multiplied by y equals 0. So isolate dy dx here, so you will get x multiplied by dy over dx is equal to negative cosine of xy multiplied by y over cosine of xy, because since these two are multiples, so divide cosine xy, so you'll get this, and these two will cancel each other out, so you're left with x dy dx equals negative y. Divide both sides by x, these two will cancel each other out, so dy dx now here would be negative y over x. Let's try this. Sine of x plus cosine of y equals x multiplied by y. Derivative of sine x is cosine of x. And if you can use product rule in this case, yes you can. But since the derivative of x is 1, it's still cosine of x, so no need to put it. Plus, derivative of cosine of y is negative sine of y multiplied by dy over dx, because as usual every time you differentiate y, it is dy dx. So derivative of x multiplied by y is x multiplied by dy over dx plus 1 multiplied by y. So you will get cosine of x minus sine of y multiplied by dy over dx is equal to x multiplied by dy over dx plus y. Put all dy dx on the left side in order to isolate, so you will get negative sine of y multiplied by dy over dx minus x multiplied by dy over dx is equal to negative cosine of x plus y. And as usual, isolate x here. I mean dy dx, factor out. So you will get dy over dx multiplied by negative sine of y minus x over negative cosine of x plus y. Divide both sides by negative sine y minus x. And cancel this other out. So final answer would be dy over dx is equal to negative cosine of x plus y over negative sine of y minus x. Let's try logarithmic example. Derivative of natural log of x multiplied by y equals x minus y. Derivative of natural log of x multiplied by y is derivative of that will be natural log of u is derivative of u, which is u prime over u. So in this case, x multiplied by y is u prime. But since x multiplied by y is product rule, we will use it first. So x multiplied by dy over dx plus 1 multiplied by y over u, which is simply xy, equals derivative of x is 1 and derivative of y in this case is dy over dx. Multiply xy by both sides, so you will get x multiplied by dy over dx plus y equals x multiplied by y multiplied by 1 minus dy over dx. Multiply xy, distribute it, so you will get xy minus x multiplied by y multiplied by dy over dx. Put all dy over dx in the left side, so you will get x multiplied by dy over dx. And since this is negative, put positive in the left side, plus x multiplied by y multiplied by dy over dx is equal to negative y plus x multiplied by y. Okay, so isolate the factor out dy dx here, so we'll get dy over dx is multiplied by x plus xy is equal to xy minus y. So divide both sides by x plus xy. These two will cancel each other out, so dy over dx here would be xy minus y over xy plus x. Let's try e raised to the power of xy multiplied by equals x plus y, So derivative of e raised to the power of u is e raised to the power of u multiplied by u prime. In this case, u here is x multiplied by y. So derivative of x multiplied by y is x dy dx multiplied by plus 1 multiplied by y. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of y is simply dy over dx. Distribute e raised to the power of xy in this 2. So you will get e raised to the power of x multiplied by y multiplied by x dy over dx plus e raised to the power of x multiplied by y multiplied by y is equal to 1 plus dy over dx. Put all dy dx on the left side, so you will get e raised to the power of xy multiplied by x dy over dx minus dy over dx is equal to negative e raised to the power of xy multiplied by y plus 1. Factor out dy dx here. So you will get dy over dx multiplied by e raised to the power of xy multiplied by x minus 1 over negative e raised to the power of xy multiplied by y plus 1. Divide both sides by e raised to the power of xy multiplied by x minus 1. Cancel each other out. So final answer would be dy over dx is equal to negative e raised to the power of xy multiplied by y plus 1 over e raised to the power of x multiplied by y multiplied by x minus 1. Let's try this example. X squared plus xy plus y squared equals 5. Derivative of x squared is 2x. Derivative of x multiplied by y is x dy over dx plus y. And derivative of y squared is 2y multiplied by dy over dx equals derivative of any constant such as 5 is 0. Isolate all dy over dx, which will be x multiplied by dy over dx plus 2y dy over dx is equal to negative 2x minus y. Factor out dy dx here, so we'll get dy over dx multiplied by x plus 2y. Divide both sides by x plus 2y, which the final answer will be dy over dx is equal to negative 2x minus y over x plus 2y. X cubed plus y cubed equals 6x multiplied by y. Derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. Derivative of y cubed is 3y squared multiplied by dy over dx. In this case, 6x here would be u and y is v. So according to the product rule, 6x multiplied by dy over dx plus derivative of 6x is 6, and just copy v here, which is y. Isolate dy dx, so we'll get 3y squared multiplied by dy over dx minus 6x dy over dx is equal to negative 3x squared plus 6y. Factor out dy dx here, so we'll get dy over dx is multiplied by 3y squared minus 6x is equal to negative 3x squared plus 6y. Divide both sides by 3y squared minus 6x, So the final answer would be dy over dx is equal to, these 3 can cancel each other out. No. The final answer will only be negative 3x squared plus 6y over negative 6x plus 3y squared. Let's try square root of xy equals 25. Square root of xy is simply xy raised to the power of 1/2. So, derivative of xy raised to the power of 1/2 is 1/2 multiplied by xy raised to the power of negative 1/2 multiplied by x multiplied by dy over dx plus y equals 25. So, in this case, 1/2 multiplied by xy raised to the power of 1/2. We will simply rewrite this as 1 over 2 square root of xy for convenience sake. So, distribute this for this and also distribute that to y. So you will get x multiplied by dy over dx over 2 square root of xy plus y over 2 square root of xy is equal to 0. This should be 0, I'm sorry. So, isolate this first, so we'll get x multiplied by dy over dx over 2 square root of xy is equal to negative y over 2 square root of xy, and isolate dy dx, so we'll get x multiplied by dy over dx is equal to negative y over 2 square root of, it should be square root xy, and multiply this by 2 square root of xy because of this. So these two will cancel each other out. So we'll get x multiplied by dy over dx is equal to negative y. Divide both sides by x. So the final answer would be dy over dx is equal to negative y over x.